Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Search Ad. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to find free higher resolution images on Google Search. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let me show you how. Very first thing you need to do is to open up your Chrome browser. The next thing you need to do is to click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. Then come to search or type URL right here. Let's say, for instance, we are looking for burger images, then add HD in capital letter. Hit on search. Then you're going to see a lot of results right here in higher resolution. And you can simply click on images right here to check on more variety. Just like what you see right here, they are all in higher resolution images. Now you can also filter by free images. For you to do that, swipe this way, and make sure you look for search tools. Then right here, you have different options right here. You can search by size. Then here, you can choose to get all the larges. So select large file. So you have all large, higher resolution burger images. Then you can also search by color. Click on color right here and filter by color. So if the image you are looking for is something that you can filter by color, you're going to see the variety option, choose the color. Then come to usage right here. Under the usage right, this is where you determine some of the free images right here. Click on here and you have different options in this category. Now where you have Creative Commons license, commercial and other licenses, no filter. Here, what we want to do is to click on Creative Commons licenses. So in a few seconds, it's going to give us free images right here. So everyone you see right here are free images. So if we click on it right here, you can see it is free stock photo in higher resolution, just like what you see right here. Then you can scroll down right here and check on some other similar free images. Then one more thing you can do right here, you can click on this icon to check on similarity if you are not satisfied with this one you have right here. So once you click on the icon, you have a variety right here. You can simply scroll down. The more you scroll down, the more you see similarity of that particular image. You can also type in right here and tell the Google exactly what you are looking for. If you are not satisfied with the result, let's simply go back. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to search on Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.